of the glamour and all of the fame. People are gonna remember your name. Now and forever, your dreams coming true. They're gonna love you whatever you do. Gonna love you as you are. Gonna love you, no self-myself. Gonna love you. Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm doing some home decor and I'm just filming it. So I'm using two garbage bucket that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make a stand, well, a vase basically. So I was just doing my little measurement. I got this flat platter also from Dollar Tree, and I was just trying to see how I'm going to design this. I tried many different designs before I come up with which one I'm gonna do. And yes, I put a sheet on the ground so that I won't make any mess, and I'm using like a hot glue gun. All of the products that I got from Amazon that I'm using, I'm going to list them in my description. So yeah, that's just me putting on everything. It's so funny how you could actually create so much nice design from actually buying product from Dollar Tree. It is crazy. So I glue these on together like that, and I rest the thing on the top, but at the time I'm like, nah. So I put on my Mod Podge because I was gonna make the top like with the crushed glass and stones, like a, that kind of design. So I ended up taking this off. End up taking it off because it was very low and I needed it to be a bit high. But that's just me adding the Mod Podge to it. And yeah. So I was making a whole mess because I'm very extremely clumsy. So this is me just adding well, you guys could see what I'm doing. I just don't have to say, oh, this is me adding the crushed glitters, because obviously you see. So I'm adding the crushed glitters, and I'm just trying to make sure that the Mod Podge like is all over the crushed glitter. Don't worry, this would dry clear, so it would not look like how it looks. So you could just do exactly what I'm doing. I just wanted everything to be sealed properly. So that's the reason. And I added more. The crushed glass that I'm using, I really like it. I really like the way how it makes my stuff look after it dry. And yeah, I'm going over the top of all this crushed glass with my Mod Podge. I don't know if I'm even calling that name correctly. But I'm going ahead and doing what I'm doing here. I realize I'm very crafty. I am extremely crafty. I made items that cost me basically $8, no, $9, I guess, and come out and look so amazing. So I'm using my Remsen epoxy. And I don't know if I use this properly. If anybody who's watching this knows how to use it, let me know. But I use it on the top because I know it is hard when it dries, so I just decided to use it at the top. So in case the Mod Podge didn't dry, it will look a little bit better, because I had tried it before, and I think like just the Mod Podge alone and everything fell off, so I didn't want to run that risk with this one. So yeah, so I'm just trying to get everything mixed together at this point. So for now, I'm just going to mix everything together, and I think I'm gonna play some music. I might probably chip in now and again.
I'm just using my metallic spray now to spray over the bucket, and I had to go over 2 coats. So now I added these 2 bowls also that I got from Dollar Tree, and I was trying to create a design. I bought these bowls for me to make my product in, and by the time I got them, the cracks, I said, nah, I'm not gonna throw them away, but I'm also gonna use them. So I tried to do this, and I fell in love with the way how this was looking. So I said, yes, this is my plan, this is what I'm going through with. And yeah, I got everything from Dollar Tree. Every single thing I got from Dollar Tree. And as you guys can see, this is before I even added the stones to everything. So I'm using my hot glue gun now, and let's just go through the whole process. At this point, I'm just adding everything because I didn't want the design to be basic. So I'm adding these roses that I got from the Dollar Tree. And bear in mind, everything that I'm using for this, like for the design, I'm not talking about the glue gun, etc., is from Dollar Tree. And look at that redhead. Look at that curly redhead. Yes, I'm just sticking on all of these items. And yes, I got some help to do some of these crafts that I was doing from my partner, but majority of it I did it my own self. So this is my design now, and I'm just spraying it over, and I think it was a bit lean to one side, but it was also very beautiful. So I sprayed everything over, even the rose was sprayed over. I really and truly think I did a good job for the first try. So at this point I did not get to record everything, but I got these plastic plates from Dollar Tree and the foam boards, and I just stick them up on the area that I was gonna use to the shape that I wanted to, and then I just glued on the paper plates on the wall. I used 2 different shapes for my design, and I did not get to record the first part because I was doing autocraft within this one video, but I couldn't add everything together because it would have taken too much time and too much editing, so I did it in sections, and this is how I was doing my design. And yeah, that's how everything went. And yes, I got help. I used mounting tape to mount the foam boards, and as usual, you know, I sprayed over with the metallic silver spray. And due to the fact that the holes that were there before, the plates are already silver, I didn't have to do a lot of work with them. I could have just basically spray. I didn't even have to spray them, but I want them to look as shiny as these. You see how shiny these look? So yeah, and look at how beautiful this is. And now this is you seeing the vase, and you're seeing my board, and it looks so amazing. And I added some tape to the side. The tape was also from Dollar Tree, and voila, I know you guys are gonna love this. It's beautiful. I love it too. I'm proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.